Okay, let's move from AC and the two volume modes, breath types, to a pressure. So pressure control, right? And I'm constantly reading this coaching box. It tells me push continue. What's the inspiratory pressure, right? So PI, inspiratory pressure. You can think of that as the delta or driving pressure above PEEP. So if I select 15, my patient will get 20/5 from a PIP and PEEP perspective. There is your I time. There is your peak pressure right on the alarm page. Let's put that on a round number. Go ahead and press accept, and you're now in AC pressure control. Inspiratory pressure 15 and a 1-second I time. Okay. Well, pressure control is a variable flow, so nothing has changed compliance and resistance wise on my patient, so I'm getting alarms for large tidal volume. Okay, well, let's troubleshoot that. Patient's fine. We'll go ahead and open these thresholds a little bit so I don't have to talk over all of this. And you don't have to deal with nuisance alarms. Didn't quite catch that minute volume. Press reset, take care of any active and old alarms. I'm going to go ahead and scale this graphic so you can see it a little bit better. That's kind of neat. And let's back off the sweep speed. All right, now you get a good look at your breaths. So pressure control variable flow, decelerating flow pattern or a ramp, square pressure wave, and you're looking to target or improve a mean airway pressure with a little less peak pressure. That's generally why folks are bringing on pressure control, or something about lung compliance is so poor that we just want to control peak pressure. So let's just use a fixed amount. The alarms are all similar. The VC Plus alarms that we mentioned earlier are not present. This is a fixed pressure mode, so I'm not worried about a low pressure here. It's not going to move or bounce around like VC Plus does. You do still have low and high tidal volumes to bracket your mandatory breath. You have them for the spontaneous breath, but we're in AC, so the spontaneous breaths are going to be assisted or more of the same control breath. That made sense?